Hey, man. You like pies? You like cookies? Do you like bread? I hope you do, because it's delicious. Well, I'm gonna show you today how to make a bread, cookie, pie cooling rack. Look at that. Man, look at that. I made that right there. You ready for this? Let's get into this junk, man.
Okay, for this project we need dowels. Lots. Big ones, small ones. Need wood. Oak wood's best. Tape measures. Always good. Glue so they don't fall apart. I don't know. We might need that. Pencils, drill bits, stain, and a saw. Oh yeah, and nails. Let's get started. Gotta make this round. Yeah, like that. And then the other side too. I don't care what you use, just use whatever. Okay, next thing's next. We gotta round these corners. And of course you gotta sand it. Nobody wants to hurt their hands. What's wrong with you? Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'm for real now. Hope by now you have two pieces that look like this. Now you need to take these pieces and make them not so sharp on the ends. Make them smooth, like whatever you want to do. I don't care if you use a toothbrush, it's just gonna take you forever. Use some sandpaper. Okay, now, I have two pieces. Two pieces. See how smooth those are? Look how smooth those are. Okay, listen up. We need holes in these. We have these little dowels. We have two big dowels, one on each end. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna make a bunch of holes in here. And I'm gonna make them even because it would be silly not to make them even. Okay, I'm gonna try and take it down a notch just so you understand what I'm talking about. So look right here. Okay, so look right here. What I've done is I've went 3/8 of an inch down from the top and then I'm making a line at every single inch because we don't want our cookies and bread and pie to fall through the rack. One of Floyd's simple tricks is to just line them up like this so they all match because they're going together. Okay, finally for the drawing, you need to make a mark on the bottom of each piece, here and here. I've used my speed square the entire time, so that's how easy this is. And all you do is come in from the end a little bit, however you want it, and just go up 3/4 of an inch. And then we're gonna drill holes for the big dowels. Okay, so this is where we're at now. I used a test piece of wood, and you better do this or else you may regret it because then you're gonna mess up all your work, so don't mess up your work. You need these to be on either end. I started with a Forstner bit, not good. It made the hole too big. Just look at this. Just look at this nonsense. Look at that. We don't want that. We want this right here. That's what we want. So don't use a Forstner bit. Use a regular bit and get it to whatever size your wood is. Got it? Good. Oh yeah, and don't forget, do not go past half the depth of your wood because that'll really stink when you got dowels sticking out the side of your boards. And wouldn't you know, the Forstner bit actually works for these ones and they actually fit. Look at that. Just like that. You should have 11 holes if you're making it the same size as me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Make sure you don't go through your wood. Not through. 11 holes. Okay, now we're good. And would you please have some class and sand off your pencil lines? Come on, people. Oh, and the reason I use a drill press is because I can't use a regular drill because I can't hold my hand steady, if you know what I mean.
So drill presses are good. You can see I put the skinny dowels in here and they're all wacky jacky, but that's because they're gonna be loose and I'm not gluing those down, and don't tell me again to glue them down in there. But these ones, I am gonna glue down, and I'm gonna put a little tiny nail in them to make sure they don't go anywhere, because this is what's holding it tight. I'm gonna mix up some glue in this really high-tech mixing tray, some epoxy, and then we're gonna glue them in. So just stand by. I would hope everyone knows how to mix up 2-part epoxy. Now we need to work quick because this is 5-minute epoxy and you better get it done in 5 minutes. So here's what we did. These are all 10.5 inches, which fits perfectly in with the holes we cut and comes out looking like this. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna take little brad nails and we're just gonna put them in here, here, and here, because the epoxy is really ticking me off. So it'll be strong, and then we're gonna sand it and stain it. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm Fixit Floyd. What I want you to do is join me every other Friday, and I'm gonna show you how to make stuff and fix stuff, and I'm gonna blow your mind.